Hello friends. Now we are going to solve numerical 4 based on passive filters. The given question is identify type of filter in the given circuit. So we will check at omega is equal to 0 and at omega is equal to infinity, and if required then we will check at resonant frequency. The first, at omega is equal to 0, we will draw the circuit. At omega is equal to 0, inductor will be represented by short circuit and capacitor will be represented by open circuit. So simply we can represent the circuit like this. And this LC, L will be short circuited and capacitor will be open circuited. So we can represent like this. And same for this L4 and C4. This short circuit inductor is and the capacitor will be open circuited. So I am representing open circuit here. So this is input plus minus Vi and this is plus minus V naught. So clearly we can see that the output will be equal to Vi by observing the circuit. Current will flow from here to here to here. There will be no current in this branch 3 and 4. The only current will be flowing from 1 and 2. This is, let us assume this is 1 and this is 2. So directly if you will get V naught will be equal to Vi. So at omega is equal to 0, we are getting the output. Second is at omega is equal to infinite. We know the rules. Inductor will be represented as open circuit and capacitor will be short circuit. Same for second branch. The inductor will be open circuit and capacitor will be short circuit. Inductor will be open circuit and capacitor will be short circuit. This is plus minus Vi, this is plus minus V naught. Let us assume this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay. So we still can see that the current is flowing through first branch here to here and second branch here to here to here. So V naught will be equal to Vi. So at omega is equal to 0, we are getting the output. At omega is equal to infinity, we are getting the output. We must check that it is a band reject filter or it is a all pass filter. If at resonant frequency it will pass the signal, then this will be all pass, and at resonant frequency if we are not getting any output means V naught will be 0, then that will be band stop filter. So here at resonant frequency at omega is equal to omega r, at omega is equal to omega r, we know that at resonant frequency the parallel combination of L and C will be represented by open circuit and the series combination of L and C will be represented by short circuit. So here if you want to draw the circuit, then this will be open, this will be open, and this third and fourth branch will be short circuited. If you will check, then still the current I will flow from here to here and current flow from here to here. So there is no blockage of any signal. It means no open circuit in between output and input. So V naught we will be getting not equal to 0. It means this is passing the signal at omega is equal to omega r. It means it is passing the signal at omega is equal to 0. It is passing the signal at omega is equal to infinity, and it is passing the signal at omega is equal to resonant frequency. It means it is all pass filter. So it is all pass filter. So it is all about this question. Thank you.